I'm Harish Shenoy, working for Bilz from last 15 years, taking care of all the HSS tap manufacturing unit. We make taps from all HSS M35 and higher grade of HSS like PM and M42 and higher grade of material. We make taps from M4 to M150 or 200 or XS. Bilz is known for all kind of special kind of taps, including all kind of special tolerance, special length, and special shapes, whatever it be, for the special applications. And we known for giving the taps to the application oriented, like material oriented, like cast iron or aluminum or stainless steel, different kind, and machine wise, and even we do hand taps also. We do big taps like hollow taps. So many varieties of taps we do. So this year we are more focusing on specialized roll taps for steel and special taps for cut taps, targeting ourselves for the mainly stainless steel and very high-end material as well as cast iron.